Welcome back to our channel, Academia. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic for students and early career researchers: how to write an effective motivation letter for a job or a scholarship application. Whether you're applying for your dream job or a prestigious grant, a well-crafted letter can make all the difference. Let's break down the essential components you need to include in your motivation letter. 1. Appropriate opening greeting. Start with a formal greeting. For example, "Dear Mr. or Ms., add recipient's name." If you don't know the name, you can simply say, "To whom it may concern." 2. Brief and clear introduction. In your introduction, introduce yourself and clearly state the purpose of your letter. You might say something like, "I am writing to apply for the scholarship or job at," write institution name. 3. Reason for application and passion for the opportunity. Explain why you're interested in this specific opportunity and how it aligns with your career goals. This is your chance to show your passion. 4. Showcase skills and experiences. Provide a brief summary of your relevant skills and experiences. For instance, you could say, "I developed skills in mention specific area during my time at," write the name of the company or the organization you had worked at. 5. Focus on personal distinction. Highlight what sets you apart from other candidates. What unique qualities or experiences do you bring? 6. Clarification with concrete data. Support your statements with concrete examples. For instance, while working on, give examples of specific project. "I increased productivity by," highlight this specific percentage. This adds credibility to your claims. 7. Conclusion and call to action. Conclude your letter by thanking the reader and expressing your eagerness for follow-up. You could say, "I look forward to discussing how I can contribute to," write the institution name. Thank you for your consideration. More tips include personal skills and flexibility. Make sure to demonstrate your flexibility and openness to learning, especially if the opportunity requires it. Formatting and proofreading. Ensure your letter is well formatted and free of errors. A polished letter speaks volumes about your professionalism. Signature. Don't forget to sign off with your full name and contact information. Now, let's put all of this into practice with an example motivation letter. "Dear Mr. or Ms., add recipient's name. I am writing to apply for," add scholarship name that your esteemed institution offers. "My name is," add your name. Currently a, write your academic year. Student at, write university or school name. And I am eager to pursue further studies in the field of, write field of study. I believe this scholarship represents a valuable opportunity to help me achieve my academic and career goals. During my studies, I have shown great interest in, add field of study, and mention academic projects you worked on. For example, I conducted research on add research topic, which was appreciated by my professors for its contribution to impact of the research. Additionally, I have been involved in voluntary activities, add examples related to type of opportunity, helping me develop leadership and teamwork skills. I see this scholarship as an ideal opportunity to benefit from your distinguished educational program, allowing me to broaden my knowledge and enhance my research and practical skills in the right field of study. I believe I can make a positive contribution to the academic community at, right institution name, through research work and active participation. I aspire to use this opportunity to advance my academic career and contribute positively to my community by applying the knowledge I gain to address societal issues related to my field of study. Say how. Investing in education is vital for sustainable development, and I aim to be part of this change. Thank you for your time and consideration. I look forward to the opportunity to discuss how I can benefit from this scholarship. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to writing an effective motivation letter, complete with a practical example. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Good luck with your applications, and see you in the next video.